أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله ثم الصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وأصحابه ومن والاه ولا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله العلي العظيم. نعم إن شاء الله في هذا اليوم آه نريد أن نتكلم عن الموضوع الجديد، فهو النكرة والمعرفة. So before talking about this, we are going to talk about introduction to Arabic grammar, which is al-muqaddimatu fi qawaid al-lughati al-arabiyya. Now, so if we are talking about an-nakiratu wal ma'rifa, so definitely we are talking about al-ismu. Now, we are talking about al-ismu. So here we have nakira and we have ma'rifa. So nakira is a noun that does not have alif and lam. So and it is going to end with tanwin. So why al-ma'rifa is what? A noun that it is going to have alif and lam. So at the beginning of the word. So example here we have nakira and ma'rifa. So nakira is indefinite, while ma'rifa is definite. So we have shari'un, shari'un. The meaning of shari'un is straight. So we can say that shari'un is straight. So which means indefinite. We did not know the straight that we are talking about. But for ma'rifa, we are going to put alif and lam. So we are going to say ashari'u. So which means the straight. So if we say that the straight, that means what? Definite. So we know the straight that we are talking about. That is the difference between nakira and ma'rifa. Nakira is a, so which is indefinite. Why ma'rifa is definite? Do you understand now? So we have shari'un ash-shari'u. We have qalamun al-qalamu. We have tufa'atun at-tufa'a. We have qalamun al-qalamu. Tufa'atun at-tufaha. Asirun al-asiru. Mudirun mudiratun. Okay, this one is mudhakkar al-muannas. So we have different types of noun. So among the different type of noun, we have nakiratun wa ma'rifatun, which is indefinite and definite. The second one is mudhakkarun wa mu'annasun. Mudhakkar is masculine, while mu'annas is feminine. So we have mudirun. Mudiru is boss. So boss, or we can call it a proprietor. So mudirun, that is masculine. So the feminine is going to be what? Mudiratun, by adding ta'u al marbuto at the end. Kitabun, abi katibun, writer. So katibatun, writer, that is female. Nadilun, waiter, nadilatun, waiter, that is for female. Mudarrisun wa mudarrisatun. So this is different between mudhakkar wa muannas and different between nakiratun wa ma'rifatun. Now, here it says مرحبا بكم في قواعد اللغة العربية الأفعال والأسماء. يعني نريد أن نتكلم عن الأفعال والأسماء. في هذه الأرض سنستكشف. Welcome to Arabic grammar, verbs and noun. In this presentation, we will explore number one, أنواع الكلمات الثلاثة في اللغة العربية, the three types of words in Arabic. While the second one is أنواع الأفعال الثلاثة, the three types of verbs. While the third one is أنواع الأسماء, the types of noun. So the first thing here is أنواع الكلمات, types of word. We have nakiratum, marifatum, mudhakkarun, wa muannasun, as I already explained at the beginning. Now, so هنا في اللغة العربية تنقسم جميع الكلمات إلى ثلاث فئات. In Arabic language, all words are divided into three categories. We have al-fi'lu, which is verb. We have al-ismu, which is noun. We have al-harfu, which is particle. Al-fi'lu يعني كلمات تدل على حدوث شيء في زمن معين. يعني word can be indicate as the occurrence of an action at a specific time. While al-ismu is كلمات تسمى الأشخاص والأماكن والأشياء والأفكار أو الصفات. Word that name people, place, thing, idea, or quality, or any other thing. Now, al-harfu is what? It is what? It is just normal a word that have meaning only when it is used with another word. Now, so here we are going to talk about Aksamul fi'l, types of verb. We have three types of verb. تنقسم الأفعال العربية إلى ثلاثة أنواع رئيسية. Arabic verbs are divided into three main types. We have Madi, Mudori'un, Amru. Now, so we have here Soha, that is fi'l Madi, past tense. Mudori'u is Yasihu, while Amru is Ushu. We have Darosa, to study or is studied. Yadrusu, that is mudari'u, he is studying or he will study. Udrus, study. We have arafa. Arafa is to know or he knew. So arafa, that is past tense. Ya'rifu, that is mudari'u. I'rif, that is amru. So the next one we have la'iba, to play or he played. Yal'abu, that is mudari'u. Il'ab, that is amru. The last one is ra'a. Ra'a, so to see or is saw. So Modoriu is what? Modoriu is Yaro, while Amro is Ri. So it is not raw, it is Ri, just only ordinary raw. Harfu raw also. Only just harfu raw. Harfu raw, Ri, raw Ri, it is what? It is Filul Amro for Ra'a. Now, so that is for that. So here we are going to talk about al-fi'l madi wal mudari'u wal amru. So here fi'l madi al-fi'l madi يعني تعريفه هو الفعل الماضي يدل على أصول شيء في زمن مضى كما قلت سابقا. So the past tense indicates the occurrence of something in past time. So these are some examples here and the meaning. So the next one is present tense, which is al-fi'lu al-mudari'u. الفعل المضارع يدل على حدوث شيء في الحال أو الاستقبال. So in English it means the present tense or the present continuous tense, or we should say the future tense indicate the occurrence of something that is what in present or future. Now حروف المضارعة يجب أن يبدأ بأحد الأحرف الأربع النيت. Now present tense prefix must begin with one of the four letters, which is anatu. We have alif, we have nun, we have yaw, we have ta, and all these harfu they have their own meaning. The last one is imperative tense, which is fi'l al-amru, or you call it command tone. Now, ta'rifuhu huwa al-fi'lu al-amru yutlabu, yani fi'l al-amru yutlabu bi usul shay'in fil mustaqbal. The English meaning is the imperative is used to request the occurrence of something in the future. Now, so we have different type of example here. Now, so here, inshallah, we are going to stop here. Then we are going to continue in next class, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.